Emily, Diane. They're really good support groups. We had a member, who passed away due to a car accident. She helped start the group up for young women, young adults, and teenagers. And I think that watching the younger girls kind of reminds me of when I was younger and going through the same things that I went through, which is good because we can all work together and give good advice so we don't make negative decisions. About my sobriety, November 2nd was my second year sobriety. Thank you. And I just think having women that can relate to us, or we can relate to other women as sisters, is a positive thing because it helps them stay focused. It helps them go in the right direction. Someone may need help. Thank you, Lisa, for helping me because, we're always there for each other. Someone might have a bad day, right? Whether it's young to old, even. So I believe personally that the Just Pink group has kept me sober due to the emotional